Story time! This one I bet you're gonna want to know. I never usually go through my bank statements thoroughly until one day I decided to just do it for one of the cards I was holding. As I was going through it, I stumbled upon a weird $12 transaction debited by the bank. Why though? Probably a mistake? So I downloaded another statement and also noticed another $12 for the month before that too. I didn't understand why, so I dropped by the bank to find out, and guess what, guys? Apparently the bank I was with charged me a $12 service fee for the past 4 months, all because I didn't have a minimum balance in that account. Ay. Am I the only one who didn't know about this? I went to find out if it was practiced by some other banks too, and it turns out most of them do. So I did a little more digging and decided to share my findings here with you on what these bank maintenance fees are, and found a little bit more info on how you can avoid them. So what are these monthly maintenance fees? Okay, so here's the gist of it. Monthly maintenance fees are sometimes also known as monthly service fees. It's basically a fee the bank charges you for having your account with them. They're so sneaky about it. Similar to what literally happened to me, they just automatically make a deduction from your account each month if the situation is relevant without giving you a heads up. Here's the thing I found out though. Apparently, some banks will waive the fee if you meet certain criteria. Let's say, for example, you meet the bank's criteria of $1,500 in your account every month. You wouldn't need to pay that $10 fee they would charge you if you didn't. But of course, just a reminder that not all bank criteria and bank accounts are the same. Different types come with different prices. Your basic checking account may charge you $5 per month, while a rewards checking account may charge you $12 per month. Best you find out what your current banks are charging, just in case. Here's the monthly maintenance fees at the biggest banks. I did some research on some of the major national banks in the US and their monthly fees for both checking and savings accounts for your reference. And to help, I've added some tips on how you can dodge those fees too. Just a heads up, if the bank offers multiple account options, I covered the fee for the simplest or most commonly used ones. Hope you find this useful. Number 1, the Bank of America. For the checking fee, it's $4.95 for the Bank of America Advantage Safe Balance banking account. Waive it by signing up for the Preferred Rewards program, or if you're a student under 24. For the savings fee, it's $8 for the Bank of America Advantage Saving Account. Avoid it by keeping a $500 daily balance or by linking this account to another Advantage account. Number 2, the US Bank. The checking fee is $6.95 for the US Bank Easy Checking Account. Waive it by setting up $1,000 in direct deposits per month, maintaining a $1,500 average balance, or if you have an eligible US Bank credit card. If you're a military member and customer under 24 or over 65, the monthly service fee is automatically waived. For the savings fee, it's $4 for US Bank Standard Savings Account. You will not be charged a fee with a $300 balance or $1,000 average balance, or if you are under 18 years old. Number 3, PNC Bank. The checking fee is $7 for PNC Bank Virtual Wallet. Avoid it by having a $500 monthly direct deposit to the spend account, having $500 monthly balance in spend and reserve, or if you're age 62 and older. And for the savings fee, it's $5 for PNC Bank Standard Savings Account. Avoid it by keeping a $300 average monthly balance, automatically transferring $25 per month into savings, or being under 18 years old. Here are the banks with no monthly maintenance fees. Here's some good news for you. If you weren't aware, there are a lot of banks and credit unions out there that don't actually charge you a monthly fee at all, making banking with them so much affordable. However, most of these institutions are online based. These are just to name a few, but definitely check them out for those savings. Feel free to take a screenshot for your reference later. Paying monthly maintenance fees to the bank can really add up over time. It's best for you to do your research first on the bank that you're planning to open your account with to better understand the terms to avoid the shock that I went through. Learn from my mistakes, okay? If possible, it's best to just go for a bank that either doesn't charge you any fees or makes it simple for you to get it waived. Avoid those fees at all costs. If you found this information helpful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more Save Your Penny tips.